Welcome back to Tanma Talks. Let's learn English through a simple story. Every night before she sleeps, Riya opens the same notebook and writes the same sentences again and again. I can speak English, but deep inside, she still doesn't believe it. During the day, she listens to people speak simple words, easy sentences. But when it's her turn, she stays silent. Not because she doesn't know, but because she is afraid to try. One day, someone asks her a simple question. Can you tell me about your day? She knows the answer, but her mind goes blank and she says nothing. That night, she looks at her notebook again, and this time she decides something. No more silence, no more fear. I will start small. The next morning, she tries her first sentence. I wake up early. It feels simple but also powerful. Then she tries again. I drink tea, I read books, small sentences, but something starts to change. These sentences are not difficult. They are part of something simple. Simple present tense. We use it every day for small actions for real life. I wake up, I read, I learn. When we say she wakes up, she reads, we add as that's all. Every day she practices in front of mirror, in her room alone. I speak English. I try every day. At first her voice shakes, but she doesn't stop. Day by day, her words become stronger, her fear becomes smaller. One day, the same question comes again. This time, she doesn't look down. She takes a deep breath and speaks. I wake up early, I read books, I learn English. It's not perfect, but it's real. And for the first time, she feels proud. Because she didn't wait, she started. You don't need big words. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need one sentence, one step. I wake up, I learn, I begins. That's how confidence begins.